magic like it's magic.
Good enough.
So vlogging with the Civic today, me and Jose started some shit on it. We tried to start it last night. I came this morning to check the compression because we had it all hooked up. And the compression on 2 cylinders was bad. It was only 100 on 2 cylinders and 150 in other cylinders. So signs that the rings aren't really worn. It was more pointing towards the head gasket. So went ahead and pulled all the fucking cams off, camshafts off, and I'm checking the head gasket right now. I'll have that off in a second. I'm gonna drain the oil real quick and then get to that. So you can see how it's all milky up in there. I already started to clean it, but you see all that milk. You see the oil isn't even the color oil. That's not the color of oil, guys. That's white, pasty, milky ass oil. So here's the parts. I'm gonna go ahead and drain some of this oil out and remove the head. We pulled the head off. Look at this damn thing. This is so horrible. You could tell that was water up on here or something.
Oh god.
This whole shit is just moving around. Oh my god, look at this. That's crazy. All the carbon buildup. But you could definitely tell it was a blown head gasket. As soon as it lifted it up, you just see water everywhere. Water was all back here. I knew it was a head gasket because when I pressure wash the motor, that's all I always say, make sure you clean your shit off before you install it. I seen water back here, but I wasn't 100% sure. I seen like a little seepage area. So we'll go ahead and flip this head over and check this head out real quick. So we got the engine right here. And here's the old head gasket. This is what it looks like. And you could tell it was a head gasket failure. You see all this material gone off right here. These are the cylinders we had the low compression in. It was only seeing 100 PSI on a compression. And these cylinders up here and the bottom one, so what was that, 1 and 4, were getting a total of 150 PSIs. These two again were dead even at 100. So we're gonna remove this head gasket and install a new one. Here's the almighty box of eBay right here. This is everything we need to eBay fix this engine. You see that shit?
The difference, yeah. What the fuck?
So this is the gasket, the new gasket. That's the old gasket. Again, that's where it fell at, right there in the middle. Here's the middle of that one. So, I mean, you guys see the difference.
Sounds amazing.
Gang, gang. Dude, you're not fucking recording the right. That clutch, shit's savage. And like, it's an unsprung fucking 6-puck, so it is what it is. There's no give. Try all you want, but it's a light switch. But hey, that's what the fuck you want when you're racing, right? Anyway, so finally got the Civic up and running. So we did a compression check. Compression looks good, but something's still up with it, and I'm thinking that I'm gonna have to do a leak down test today, so I will be performing a leak down. So we took the CRV out. We're not driving the Hummer here, obvious reasons, but we just pulled up to Redline, Redco, JDM used engines. They got other stuff other than engines. About to pull up, meet up with one of the guys, and select a new engine. The new little B20 donor motor for the EK project. Make sure you guys come check them out. This is all the EJ shit, man. Hella Subi. Subi. This front end right here. You on it? Mm-hmm. This is Gary right here. I want to introduce you to my vlog. This is Gary at Redco. You want to tell people what you guys do here?
JDM Motors. We import motors and sell them here, and everything comes from Japan. Low mileage. Yeah.
So not just the motors, you got front clips, additional
performance stuff. As far as front clips go, mostly like your name brand stuff, like Type R, SI, SIR, stuff like that.
Okay, and I noticed a lot of Subi stuff too, which is pretty cool. I have a lot of Subaru clients out in the Rockland area, Woodland area, and Sacramento. So they got a lot of Subi stuff here too, which is like cool to see. Like I don't see a lot of Subi stuff in this area. It's a lot of Hondas, but they have that here as well. So if you guys need...
So yeah, Subaru, shout out to Respect Auto Works in the back. That's the reason we do Subaru.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, they're mostly dominant in Subaru aftermarket performance. So.
My boy Brandon Player, he actually like talked so much about you. I think I invited you to one of my events last summer. I know you guys were busy and stuff, and it was Sunset Park that was going to be in Manteca. I know you guys are busy, but Brandon Player, he's always at Respect Auto Works, and he drove a green B-dub, and he was just like talking about you so much. Yeah,
I know that guy. He's super cool, dude.
So,
I love that guy.
yeah, he is, dude.
Yeah.
So he was talking about you, and I was just like, you know what? Because I got a guy in Sacramento, and I was like, let me hit up like someone local. You know, it's always good to support local businesses and stuff like that. And then just after talking to you on the phone, I was like, you know what the hell? I'm gonna just take a trip out there and just go do some business. So that was nice to finally meet you, bro. And
you guys get a chance, run back there too, and hit up Ethel or Mark.
That's who he always talks about, Ethel.
Yeah.
He's always talking about that dude. So yeah, we'll definitely go back there and check it out.
Yeah.
So this is Gary.
Sure, man.
If you guys need anything. Well, right now we're gonna head back, and we're about to actually see the motor run. So I'm excited to see this motor run. It's gonna run fine. It's not gonna be like the last piece of shit we bought for $100 and had to make run. It's gonna be swap, drop, and just fire right up. So let's go check it out. K-Series, J-Series. Damn, there's a lot of motors here. There's so many motors. Pretty good. See the little Frankenstein. The mad scientist right here.
I'm sure you know how this works, right? Just gonna crank.
Yeah, hell yeah. Just roll up here and just see all the compression and everything. It's a big vacuum pump. It's a vacuum cleaner. So right now I'm checking the compression. At what, 1,000 RPM?
It's about 2,000 RPM.
2,000?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
About 230 or so.
Damn, that's up there. 230. That's what you call Gucci Coochie. Is that making you excited, Jose? You don't got to deal with fucking 130 compression?
That last one was a bitch, bro.
He's Jose Spike. It's like,
Hey, man, if you're 130 and all 4 cylinders, bro, turbo that shit.
bring the compression up. There you go. Frankenstein. The last one. Running. It's nice. What dizzy is that? Is that like the same dizzy as a what year is this motor?
This would be off of a CRB, so it'd be for a OB2B. So if you're going into DA or anything like that, or DC, you might need to change out the disc. It's not
Okay.
a manifold.
So it's a 94.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change out the dizzy because I'm going OBD2A.
Okay.
All right, huh? No, you're good.
You guys all good?
Yeah, dude. Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem, man.
So we got the motor all in. Thanks to Recco. Strapped down. It's good doing business with these guys. Came out. They actually compression checked the motor right in front of us. We got 230 on all 4 cylinders, so I'm very pleased with this. Very pleased with the transaction. Again, if you guys need anything, make sure you guys stop by Recco JP and pick up something nice that's trusted. So that's a wrap. I'll see you guys soon. Hey, what's up, guys? So me and Jose already started pulling this damn motor out. This is where we're at now. It's ready to come out. We already got this axle out. Everything's out on this side. So we're gonna drain the transmission next. If he could fucking literally just take some air out of, like, water out of a damn bottle that he's been doing for 10 minutes. Don't know what the fuck he's doing. Nigga literally don't know what the fuck he's doing. He takes so much time to do anything. Anyways, back to this shit right here. I guess you could say I'm doing it. Anywho, all we have to do is take the other axle out, drain the transmission real quick. But beyond that, we are going to pull this motor out tonight, take the transmission off, mount it to the new motor tonight. Also take the oil pump off this and the crank sensor off this, mount it to the new motor, time it, and we should be ready to go again. Here's the new motor right here. High compression B20. That will see boost, so we'll see how long this thing lasts. There we go. We got the motor out, boy. Jose's taking the intake manifold off. Got the Civic right there. Shit's about to be crazy. Bacon, faking, making, Jamaican. So we got all the smog equipment hooked up to this damn thing. It's running 100% perfect. The timing's perfect. Everything is perfect about this motor. Firing on all 4 cylinders, no misfires, literally nothing wrong with this damn thing. And it is in the car. Super juiced about it. I think, how long did it take us to do it?
Like 22 hours?
22 hours?
22, 21?
So complete motor swap in 21, 22 hours from start to finish. And that's actually leaving out of town to go buy the motor. And then tearing this motor down because we had to take all the smog shit off of the old motor. So literally tore this down, retimed it, put it like back together, figured out the little hiccups it had, did have a slight misfire, some little stupid shit going on with it. Figured out everything, filled it up with fluids, ran it, and it is perfect now. No codes. It's ready to actually go to the bar inspection, and just super excited about it. So stay tuned. We still got more things to do, like get the headlights, the fenders, change these fucking wheels. So if anybody wants to buy them, you can hit my DM, message me, email me. And again, shout out to all the people who have been donating stuff. Syndicate Sean, shout out to Tiffany, shout out to NorCal, and shout out to everyone who's been a part of this project. Also, we're gonna get, I can't say his name, but he gave us a speed mirror. So shouts out to him for giving us the speed mirror. Shout out to Louis at SI Club for going ahead and donating that right there. You know, hats off to everybody who's had their hands up in this project, and I appreciate you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you guys are willing and want to donate to this project, DM me and you could donate to it and be a part of this. So can't wait. Now here's a clip of us doing a little 60% throttle flyby. So the supercharged noise you guys heard on the flyby was a timing belt tensioner. Already actually loosened it up, and it's back installed. Everything's torqued down to spec. Again, if you like the content, please like, follow, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day.